Welcome to the month of February here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. This month, see our high quality content in our blogs this month, where in honor of Valentine's Day, we focus on the features our guests love. Winnebago is known for its technology and comfort-driven motorhomes, and there are so many features that help Winnebago motorhomes stand out amongst their competition. We'll discuss some of these features in our blog this month with topics including Truma systems, the Luno cab bed, Asdel composite sidewalls, Primera Ultra fabrics, and much more. Now, Deanna Rodriguez will review the Winnebago View and Navion, America's top-selling Class C diesel RVs on the market today.
Hi, I'm Deanna Rodriguez, sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. Today I'm going to discuss the top-selling Winnebago View and Winnebago Navion Class C diesel motorhomes. The View and Navion are built on the Mercedes-Benz VS30 Sprinter diesel chassis and are equipped with numerous enhancements and safety features included with this chassis. Measuring just 25 feet 6 inches in the length, the View and Navion are easy to maneuver and are available in 3 floor plans. The 24D floor plan features a spacious 36-inch depth slide-out that houses your choice of either the U-shaped dinette or theater seating. The powered Murphy bed can be stored during the day and replaced with a sofa and pedestal table. The 24D also includes an inline galley and large rear full bathroom with wardrobe storage. The 24J floor plan includes a large 30-inch depth slide-out that houses your choice of either the U-shaped dinette or theater seating, pantry, and a wardrobe. The 24J features a rear passenger side corner bed and a vanity outside of the bathroom, so it can be used when the shower or toilet are in use. And finally, the 24V floor plan. This floor plan includes a slide-out that houses your choice of the True Comfort sofa or dual recliners. In the rear of the 24V are dual twin-size beds that can be converted into one large bed with the Winnebago Flex Bed System. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to learn more about the new and used Winnebago View and Navions we have in stock now. Hi, I'm Jordan Weiland, sales consultant at Lichtsinn RV. Today I'm going to discuss the Winnebago Travato, the flexible and fuel-efficient Class B van. The Travato is available in 2 floor plans, each available with the lithium power as denoted by the L in the floor plan name. The Travato 59G and 59GL each include a rear bed that can be lowered for sleeping or locked in place upright during the day, providing a large rear storage area that can be accessed from in or outside of the coach. The Winnebago Travato 59K and 59KL includes center coach twin-sized beds that can be converted into one large bed with the flex bed system. The 59K and the 59KL include a large rear wet bath that can be accessed from either inside or outside of the coach. The lithium versions of both the 59G and the 59K floor plans provide you extended off-grid capability. The Pure 3 advanced energy system in the 59GL and the 59KL floor plans uses safe, dependable, automotive-grade technology to provide more than 12,000 usable watt-hours of power with the optional 4th module lithium-ion energy pack. Contact myself or another sales consultant to find out more about the Winnebago Travato.
Hi, I'm Adam Brinkman, sales consultant at Lichtsinn RV. The Lichtsinn RV experience starts from the moment you pick up the phone or chat with us online and extends throughout the lifetime of your RV ownership. As you are looking for your next RV, there are several reasons to buy your next RV from Lichtsinn RV, one of which is our great guest reviews. While other RV dealers may hide their reviews from potential guests, we encourage you to learn more about the Lichtsinn RV team through our reviews that guests leave for us on Facebook and Google. Our guests tell our story as they share their experiences with our team for all to see. As the closest RV dealer to the Winnebago Motorhome Factory and the top Winnebago dealer in North America, we have guests visit us from across the United States and Canada. This results in us receiving reviews from guests with many different experiences and expectations for their RV purchase and ownership experience. We consistently receive 5-star reviews from guests across the country. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to experience the best at Lichtsinn RV.
And that's the month of February at Lichtsinn RV, wishing you safe travels from our Lichtsinn RV team.